Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start with the best source, RAW or the highest quality JPEG. Make a backup copy immediately. Open HiPic and import at full resolution so you preserve detail. Once loaded, enable the histogram and grid. They guide exposure and composition, then switch to non-destructive mode so edits are reversible. Now, perform a quick global exposure adjustment. Nudge highlights down and shadows up to reveal detail, and set a conservative white balance correction. These first steps stabilize the image for targeted edits. Once the base exposure is balanced, focus on precision. Use exposure, contrast, highlights, and shadow sliders while watching the histogram to avoid clipping. Then make local corrections. Apply a brush for dodging and burning, a radial for subject emphasis, and a gradient for skies. Feather edges 20 to 40% for seamless blends. Next, shift to HSL or the color mixer to tweak hue, saturation, and luminance per color range so skin tones and skies remain natural. This creates depth and color harmony. Finish with detail and output. Apply selective sharpening only to edges and reduce noise in smooth areas. Always preview at 100% to catch halos or amplified noise. When exporting, choose 80 to 90% JPEG for delivery or TIFF for archival. Resize only if you need a specific pixel dimension. If you see banding or compression artifacts, reduce aggressive contrast or saturation adjustments. Add a touch of noise to disguise posterization, or undo the offending local mask. Those fixes usually solve it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.